Hey guys, it's Miguel from eDigital Tips and welcome. So what I want to show you today is actually how to find keywords online that are having a high level of traffic, that has less competition, and that can be monetized as well. So I don't know which business you are currently doing, but I want to do a little test with you just to show you how I do business and how I track my software. I'm obviously into the internal marketing business. I don't know if you are in the golf business, in the pet business. You could potentially be as well, doing recipes. So let's say you have a website, then you love doing cookies. You love cookies, chocolate cookies, peanut butter cookies, and so forth. So you want to target people that love cookies. So you have to ask yourself first, how will someone search for my, website on Google? So if you put yourself into the customer, mind. So how does a customer think? How does a buyer think? Or how does someone just browsing think, right? So these are different categories that you can attract people. So first of all, you don't know right now. You want to know, well, is promoting a cookie recipe on the internet could be a great opportunity. So I'm going to show you if it is. So over here, I'm using a software called Market Samurai. Okay, so Market Samurai has been on the market forever. And what it does is it tells me everything that what Google's usually do not show in one page. So Google obviously is the number one place where people are looking for keywords. So I'm going to show you a little example here. On the keyword here, I'm going to type cookie recipe. So what I want to do is click on the update, and then I'm going to go under the keyword research. So I have the word cookie recipe, it's already selected. I want to generate keywords. So let's say you are selling cookie. Negative keyword here you can put is free. So, you're not looking for freebies, people that just want free stuff, and you just want to go ahead and just go for the sale, then you would probably click on free here, and then you would click on update, and then you just click on generate keywords, and then it's going to generate keywords for you. So these, my friends, are all types of words people are entering into Google search bar. So when you go to Google, and you want to look for something, sorry, I'm just going to open a new window here. I'm going to go to Google, and then I want to type for cookies. Cookie recipe. So this is how Google will give the results. But because I type cookie, these guys out here, are ranking number one. And how do you know which one you can target to have a first place on Google? Well, you're going to have a better chance if you're using a software like Market Samurai. So what I'm going to do here, I'm just going to move my cursor so you get to see what I'm doing here. So once you have all the recipes, at the bottom right here, you're going to click on keyword analysis. And once you do that, you're going to see here different type of selections on the top. So if you want to see the total searches that people are doing for that keyword, you can do that. I recommend to select the SEO traffic. So SEO traffic is like a specific keyword that will help you, rank onto Google. So it says over here, SEO traffic, the maximum potentially monthly clicks that the #1 ranked site for this keyword term could potentially achieve. So for this keyword, which means if you are doing butter cookies and you're on the first one on Google, which means that you would attract over 1,700 clicks a month to your website. That's just from one keyword itself, which is good to know, right? You want to know, if I would be on the first on Google, how many traffic will I attract? Because the more traffic you bring, the more money you're going to make with your business. It makes sense. Trends. You can click on trends. So trends, what it's going to do is, if I go again under, let's say, the butter cookie, I'm just going to click on a tab here, and this tab will open, and it's going to show me some data about the butter cookie keyword. It's going to tell me, which region does that keyword, brings people, and so forth, which is really important. So if I go back into the software, once I have SEO value. So SEO value is, does people pay Google pay-per-click to promote? And if the answer is yes, that means that if they're putting money on Google to be on the first page, that means that this keyword will be monetizable, which means you have a better chance to sell something if you're using that specific keyword. So for me, I enter a value of 30, which means that this keyword could potentially bring me about $900 per month worth of, cookie sales or whatever. I'm going to do an analyze keyword. So when I click on analyze keywords, I'm going to go on my search bar here and I click search. So everything sorts out on its own, for the most searched keywords to the lesser ones, right? I know it's a lot of information, but you can press pause and just put a piece of pen and paper and get things going. So for the cookie business, you would be surprised to see that actually for cookies, only for the word cookies, I mean cookies and recipes. So cookie and recipes. That means that right now I have searches per month, 36,000 searches per month. That mini keyword, that means that people that clicks on your link, if you would be on the first page of Google, you would bring about 15,000 clicks. Competition, that's the number of page. You have competition, but look, it says 0. And at the same times, you can see that it can be also monetizable. So I'm sorry for my English. I hope that you can bear with me as I'm French. But anyway, cookie and recipes could be a potentially really good keyword. And everything is found out here through the Market Samurai. Now it's been 9 minutes I've been talking. I just wanted to keep it short. But I wanted to show you the power of this. And this, we haven't scratched the surface yet. There's so much things you can do more. And as we go along in my website, I'm going to do more in-depth training on what you can do with the Market Samurai. But as a digital tips, if you do have a business and you don't know which keyword to target for your next blog, for your next article, for your next topic, you need something like gonna put some NOS into your business, and I would think that Market Samurai does it for me, and hopefully it will do it for you as well. So that was Miguel from eDigital Tips. Feel free to, let me know what you think about this little tutorial, and I'll be talking to you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.